go. Welcome to our classroom. Come on in. Here's where we get to spend our day together. Our classroom looks a little bit different than your kindergarten classrooms because we do have individual desks. So we'll help you find your desk when you first come in. We do also have our sink where we'll practice our hand washing a lot this year. The water fountain will not work, so you can bring a water bottle every day and you can keep it right at your desk, and then I can help you refill it if need be. Here's the front of our classroom, and we have a big rug like you probably did in kindergarten, and then my desk is over there. We have fun books to read, and then our back kidney table where we'll get to do some reading groups. And then also in your packets that I'm sending home is a little picture of Mrs. Korkow. If you can see it right here, there's a little picture on a popsicle stick. Bring this on your first day because I will be wearing my mask, so it might be kind of hard to see who I am. So if you bring your little popsicle stick, you can say, "This is my teacher," and then I'll be able to find you right away. So remember, first day of school is Monday, August 24th. Picture day is Thursday, so make sure you bring your best smile that day. And I can't wait to see you. It's going to be an awesome year, and we're going to learn so much in first grade together. Take care. See you later.